Hey, what's going on, guys? Death Call 69 with another review. But first, Merry Christmas. Can't say that no more. Happy holidays. Almost got me. But anyway, let's get to the review. Got something special. Probably the least wanted out of the three special Christmas shoes from Nike. But I don't know. I think it was my favorite looking one. The Blazers were nice, and the Air Forces, they're not coming out till the 30th. So, but yeah, you already know. Let's get to the review. All right, let's get to what's inside the box, baby. Right away. See the pattern. These are loud. That's all that's in the box. Here we got them fresh out of the box. The Nordic Air Max 90s. First things first, the loudest thing on here, and I like it, it's pretty nice, is the snowflake pattern on the toe and on the tongue and back here. It's probably the biggest feature on these. And the second biggest feature on these, I'd say, is the faux fur. It sticks out a lot on the fur and right here. Probably won't notice it with jeans on, maybe on the tongue or right here. But yeah, that's the second loudest feature to me. Comes with the nice, bright, intense university red. It goes well with the dark green and then the lighter green. I love these colors right here. I love these greens. The red is intense. I like it a lot. The next thing I noticed, like once I saw them up close, was the shoelaces. They're like stitched in between, triple stitched, or just double right here and right here. Another thing I noticed is the only reason I noticed is because I got some for me and my daughter. Now I'm just playing for my girl. She just has a fucking miniature foot. Mine came with this brass shoelace hole, and hers didn't. I guess that's just a few of the differences between kids' shoes and men's shoes. Just the Nike sign looks different. Hers say non-marking and mine don't. But yeah, it's just, that's the thing that I noticed right away, is the brass shoelace hole. I guess fuck them kids, huh? On the inside, we got the Nike glove. Pretty cute, pretty nice looking. I like it. I already showed you the bottom when I was comparing the shoes, but man, I like the sole. I think that's another nice feature, and that's one of the nicest looking soles I ever seen. It's fucking cute. It's just intense colors, that dark green, that bright red, looking really nice. Another thing is these the agulets or whatever, green. That's another little thing, another little detail on these. That's pretty much it. I mean, it's Christmas shoes. You already know they're not gonna match with everything. They're gonna match with your Christmas sweaters, with your elf costume, with your Santa Claus costume, whatever, you know. The only complaint on these would be, I know, this one came with a scuff. What the fuck, Nike? What the fuck? Overall, I think they're a nice looking shoe, especially for Christmas events and all that. You know, they're gonna grab people's attention, like, oh shit, you got the Christmas shoes, the Air Max 90s. I wish I could have got the Blazers, but while I was getting these, I was trying to get the Blazers, and they sold out. I guess I went for the wrong shoe first, because I don't remember, these didn't sell out right away, because I made a mistake and bought my girl the wrong size, and I still had time to go back and get the right size. So I guess I should have gone for the Blazers first. I should have known. The Blazer hype is up right now. They're all dark green. The reason I went for these first, because I really wanted these, because these are there's no confusion about these, that they're Christmas shoes. The Blazers are green and red, you know, people might not get it right away. They had a little fur on top, but I don't really wear blazers with shorts. That's why I went for these first, because these are more Christmassy spirit, I guess. I should have gone for the blazers first, and I wish the Air Forces would have came out at the same time, but I guess it got pushed back. They got pushed back to like the 20 something, and now that I checked today, they're pushed back to the 30th of December. So yeah, good luck rocking those on New Year's, if you even get them on time. But yeah, overall pretty good shoe. Wish I could have got all three for a Christmas special and some clout on YouTube. But anyways, let's get to what they look like on feet. You already know. Got that Christmas drip, boy. Right off the bat, they're pretty comfortable. They fit true to size. I'm 9.5. Got them at 9.5 usually. Pretty good. As you can see, looking pretty fire. Shit, boy. But yeah, I thought the faux hair was gonna be a problem. I thought they were gonna be kind of hot and warm, but nah, it only goes up to like your ankle. Not really a big deal, you know what I'm saying? But shit, as you can see, looking pretty good. I got the dad jeans on right now, but it's Christmas shoes, boy. You can rock them whatever you want. Let's see, I'll show you the back. Look good. Shit, boy. My girl gonna be mad if she ever sees this video. But who cares? They're new. Look what I can do. Look what I can do because they're new. Walk up on the couch. Walk up on the couch. Anyways, let me do a little closing for y'all. Anyways, guys, that's pretty much it on the Nordic Air Max 90s. Let me know what y'all think. Comment, like, and subscribe. I need some clout. I need some money. I need a new table and a house. Peace.